Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be updating you on Harmony One, whose current price stands at the $0.03 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by negative 6.86%, and to be honest, the prices on the Harmony One chart are not looking good at all. And I want to base my analysis on the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci's. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of this video. And I want to just give a brief of what has been happening on this chart. So Harmony One, from the all-time high, has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, and the ABC correction has now taken us to around the $0.03 mark, and I believe Harmony One has done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction, and I expected it to move in this Elliott wave pattern to the upper side, and having a wave 5 taking us back to an all-time high. And the minimum that I expected the wave 1 to do is the area between the $0.23 mark and the $0.19 mark, basing it on the Fibonacci's. And I want us to have a look at what is happening on this chart at the moment, the patterns that we have, and also have a look at the indicators. So here on the daily chart, we had this descending channel, and you can see that we have broken below the bottom of that descending channel, and we had a support at around the $0.0347 mark. We have broken below that key area of support, and that would mean we might be unlocking even lower prices for Harmony One. So the first key scenario that can play out is that now that we have broken below that key area of support, we can maybe have a retest of that area of support, and once we see that retest, we can continue pushing the market lower to around the $0.02 mark, where we have the next key area of support. And then from there we might then find support on that area and then bounce back to the upper side and maybe break above this key area of resistance now around the $0.0347 mark. And once we break above that and maybe have a successful retest, we might go back to around the $0.05 mark in a short-term uptrend, and then from there maybe we can have a retest of that key area of resistance also, and then continue pushing higher. For that to play out, I expect us to continue seeing increased volume on this market, and also on the Bitcoin chart I expect higher prices on the Bitcoin chart, so that this market is not affected because it has not decoupled from what Bitcoin is doing. We are seeing massive sell-off on the Bitcoin chart, and this market on the Harmony One chart, this chart is also being affected. The other key scenario that can play out is that maybe we might have a bounce from that area that we are at the moment and have a reversal to the upper side. And once that happens, I expect us to first go back to this key area at around the $0.04 mark and the $0.45 mark and the $0.04 mark. And once that happens, then maybe we can push to the upper side to around the $0.05 mark, have a retest of that area and push to the upper side. And if we look at the indicators on the RSI, we are massively oversold on the RSI, and that would mean we have room on the RSI to continue pushing the market higher. So if we have a reversal in the market on the RSI, we have room for that reversal to the upper side. Also having a look at the MACD, on the MACD it's not looking good because you can see we are just about to have a bearish cross, and once that happens, that would mean we'll be unlocking even lower prices. And also if you look at the volume up here on the MACD, we are having a decrease in the volume, then that would mean soon we might see a print of the red candlesticks, and that would mean these lines also would cross and give us a bullish cross. So So that's the update on the Harmony 1 chart. I hope that video was of help to you. So make sure that you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel.